in the Solidworks. Let's insert some file parts, that is pin in this shape. Insert another component somewhere in the field. Now go to the mat. Take the concentric command and let's concentric these two faces. That means the two circular faces are concentric. Now go back and practice the another type of mat, that is tangent. Now let's tangent this face with this face. Just click this face and this face, they are tangent. Now you can see the tangent relation between the surfaces. Again take the tangent relation, click the tangent, click this surface and this surface. These two surfaces are tangent. You can see the tangent relation between these surfaces. You can go back, insert some component, and let's insert another component. Let's somewhere. Now rotate this component. Now let's make these two components parallel. Go to the mat, take the parallel command, select this surface and this surface, click OK. This means these two entities are parallel to each other. Again go back. Now let's try another mat, that is perpendicular. Now select this one and this one. Okay, now you see mat perpendicular, this one and this one. Click OK. Now you can see these two components are perpendicular to each other. Again go back. Now let's try a coincident relation. Let's select this edge and this edge. That means these two faces coincide each other to make a single entity. And this way you can use the different types of the mats in the Solidworks. Thank you for watching.